This is our official look at the Oppo Reno 4 and Oppo Reno 4 Pro. Oppo shared the images and the video showing the design of the Reno 4 series on its Weibo profile, and it looks like the Reno 4 series is going to be all about that design. Now, as the name shows, it is going to be the 4th generation of Reno series, and it is interesting that the first Reno device, that is the Oppo Reno, launched just last year. But that is not much of a surprise because we know that brands like Oppo, Vivo and Xiaomi like to launch a lot of phones every year. Anyways, as I said, the main USP of the Reno 4 series is not going to be the specifications but rather the design. As the official images reveal, the Oppo Reno 4 series comes with a new design that includes a punch hole display on the front and a triple camera setup on the back. Now, this triple camera setup has a design similar to the iPhone 11 series because there is a very prominent camera bump. While the three cameras are different in terms of the specifications and the sensor size, they all appear to be of the same size. Now, it is a personal preference whether you like this kind of bold design or not. Another interesting thing about the design is the Reno Glow branding on the back. Oppo applied for a new smartphone trademark under Reno Glow in April this year, so it is going to use that in the upcoming Reno 4 series. The Oppo Reno 4 series comes in two beautiful gradient color options, and the Reno Glow branding is there to highlight this design. Oppo revealed on Vivo that the Reno 4 series is designed using the Reno Glow crystal drilling process. While Oppo did not reveal the specifications of the Reno 4 series, we know them already thanks to a leak. The Oppo Reno 4 comes with a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display with normal 60Hz refresh rate, whereas the Oppo Reno 4 Pro comes with a 6.5-inch display with 90Hz refresh rate. Both the phones have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G SoC and both come with a 4000 mAh battery and 65W fast charging. The major difference is in the camera department. The Oppo Reno 4 comes with a triple camera setup on the back that includes a primary 48 megapixel camera without OIS, a secondary 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a third 2 megapixel camera. There are dual cameras on the front, which means the Reno 4 comes with a dual punch hole camera cutout. This also means that the images that Oppo shared on Vivo are of the Oppo Reno 4 Pro. The Reno 4 Pro has 3 cameras on the back like the Reno 4, but the specifications are a bit different. There is a primary 48 megapixel camera with OIS, a 12 megapixel secondary camera and a 13 megapixel telephoto camera. There is a single 32 megapixel camera on the front. Well, the launch date as well as the pricing of the Oppo Reno 4 series is not yet known, but now that Oppo has shared the official images, the launch should happen pretty soon. So what do you think of the design of Oppo Reno 4 series? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.